What is robotic process automation, and how does it support operational excellence?
Robotic Process Automation, RPA, is a technology that uses software robots to automate repetitive and routine tasks that are typically performed by humans. RPA has applications both in manufacturing and service sectors. RPA works by mimicking the actions of a human interacting with digital systems to execute business processes. It can handle tasks like data entry, processing transactions, and responding to customer inquiries. RPA supports operational excellence by increasing efficiency, reducing errors, and freeing up human employees so that they can focus on more complex and strategic work. For example, in a financial services firm, RPA can automate the process of verifying client documents and data entry for loan applications. Normally, these tasks would require hours of manual work by employees, but with RPA, they can be completed quickly and without errors. This not only speeds up the loan approval process, but also enhances customer satisfaction as clients receive faster responses. Additionally, RPA can operate 24/7 without breaks, ensuring that business processes are carried out continuously and without interruption. This constant operation helps maintain a high level of productivity and service availability. By implementing RPA, companies can significantly reduce operating costs, improve accuracy, and enhance overall service delivery, contributing to higher operational excellence and competitive advantage.
Visit drshrutibhat.com for more information on operational excellence and product development, industry-specific case studies and free white papers.